Today I'm sharing a super easy and delicious side dish, fried plantain. This is a Caribbean favorite that pairs well with almost any meal and can be enjoyed as a snack, so let's get started. Choosing the right plantain is key. You want ripe plantains with a deep yellow peel and lots of black spots. The riper they are, the sweeter the plantain will be when fried. First step is to peel the plantain. Start by cutting off both ends of the plantain. Using a knife, make a shallow slit along the peel, and you just want to cut the peel and not the plantain. Now place your finger between the slits and just peel back the peel. This is how easy it is to peel once the plantain is ripe. And this is a simple step that comes naturally to those of us who grew up eating plantains, but always remember that there are people who are not familiar with these foods. Now I'm going to slice the plantain diagonally in about, I would say about 1/2 inch thickness. And you can just simply cut them into rounds if you prefer. And while I'm showing you today how to fry ripe plantains, which is absolutely delicious, I have to admit I prefer green plantains. Let me know in the comment section which you prefer. And now that the plantain is all sliced, it's time to fry. Heat about 1/2 inch of oil in a frying pan over medium heat. Once the oil is hot, carefully add the plantains in a single layer. Be sure to place the slices away from you so that if the oil does splash, it does not splash up in your direction, it'll splash in the opposite direction. And while this is a very simple recipe, I do have a blog post that's going to share tips and tricks and all that you need to know on how to fry plantain, and I will have that link below in the description box. I will also include a link to other recipes using plantains such as garlic plantains, plantain chips, and MetMG. Now we're going to let the plantains fry for about 2 to 3 minutes per side until they are a beautiful golden brown color. And what you don't want to do is to step away. This is the time to just stay there at the stove and to baby them, because plantains, especially ripe plantains, can burn very quickly. Once they're done, remove them from the oil and place them on a paper towel to drain any excess oil. You can add a sprinkling of salt if you prefer, but that is totally optional. And that is it. And these are best served warm. You can enjoy them on the side with like rice and peas and oxtail, or you can just simply have it on its own as a snack. I hope you give this recipe a try, and don't forget to let me know in the comments how you like your plantain, green or ripe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more delicious recipes like this, and I'll see you next time.